first thing that they're sensitive to heat, they're the first thing to go. So when you are doing your contracts, just know that the inverters are probably only gonna last about 10 years. And then if you do a high DC to AC ratio, so in other words, putting 4,000 watts or 5,000 watts of modules on a 3,000 watt inverter, remember, even though you can do that, this question is, should you do that? There's no manufacturer's instructions that say you can't, so why not? But you know that there's not a disadvantage, and what's the disadvantage to the customer?
Wear out faster.
You're gonna, and then so in your cost analysis, you need to let them know, in 10 years, you need to get a brand new inverter. And that you need to include that and say, we'll sell it now, we'll sell it to you now. So if you need an inverter 10 years, we'll sell it to you now. It would have been $3,000, but we'll sell it to you now for $1,800. $1,800 bucks today. And you get that extra insurance, that peace of mind that goes with installing a